So this week's going to be a Thunderbirds build. I'm going to base it on, no, not that Thunderbirds, the 1960s Thunderbirds TV show. I've got a ton of lids and it's going to be a lazy build, and I'm not going to cut anything, I'm just going to glue things together. So this is my budget Thunderbirds vehicle. So having stuck the lids together, there's going to be no cut involved in this one. It's just going to be stick things and see where they lay. And I'm just basically trying to make the shape of the spaceship. And I use this bottle for the middle bit. And then I've got some binoculars, toy binoculars, that I'm just going to use as the jet engines, I suppose. I'm just going to stick them either side. So this build is just to show up and coming crafters how easy it is just to glue things together and make something out of basically nothing. Once the sides have stuck together, I'm going to use some, I think they're from a drinks bottle. I'm not quite sure. I get my supply of plastic from some friends and family, and I just use the stuff. I'm going to use these as the feet for the spaceship. And then it's just finding bits and pieces and just lazily sticking things to it and covering the gaps later on with other bits and pieces. And I sanded all these bits of plastic before I stuck them together, just so to get a better fix with the super glue. And these are old vape pens that I've just de-gutted and just using the outside. That grill is from an old beard cutter, I do believe, which I thought would look fine on the front of the ship or vehicle. Then it's more bottle tops just to add to the front of the vehicle, giving it the Princess Leia look, I do believe. Then I just went through my plastic drawers and just found bits and pieces of offcuts of plastic and just stuck it to the vehicle. I found bits from a disused water pistol that I just stuck around, made two jets at the back of the vehicle, and then the bits and pieces were just added just to give it a little bit more of a vehicle spaceship look. I'm even going to throw some magic in now. Going to use some EVA foam, just cut into squares and just dotting them around, and then using some gemstones just to finish off the ship. And then it was a rattle can of black to give it a prime, and then it was on with the main painting. I tried to keep the build under 9 minutes because the attention span of the viewers are only sort of be 4 minutes. So once I use the silver Sharpie to give it the distressed look, it's on to the glamour shots.